Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the usage of comprehensions over map and filter operations in Python. First of all, what is comprehension? Comprehension provides us the compact and concise code and increases the readability of the code by giving you the clear picture. Whereas the map and filter operations accept function as an argument and it maps the function to all the elements which are present inside an array, like list, tuple. Now let's see the difference between comprehensions and these operations. See, as I already said to you, it increases the readability of the code. That is the main difference. You are able to see what code I have written. Now here, I want to compute the squares of the numbers which are present inside a list. Now with the help of the comprehension, I have written the code in a simple way. X square for X in list. But whereas with the help of the map operation, I have used the function, that is the lambda function, inside the map and passes an iterable, that is list. By default, map function gives you an object. Here we have converted that object into a list. Now next, if I want to compute the squares of the numbers which are divisible by 2, I have to apply some condition on the numbers which are present inside the list. Means I want to calculate the squares of those numbers which are even. Now with the help of the comprehension, I have written the code x square for x in if x is in x modulus 2 equal to 0. Means if x is even, then it will calculate the square of those numbers. Okay. Now, whereas in the case of map and filter operations, what filter operation does? Filter operation also accepts in function as an argument. Okay, and it filter out the values which provides them a true boolean. Okay, here we have used the filter and the function. If the number is even, then it will provide you that value to this lambda function to calculate the square. So I think you are able to see the difference in writing the code, right? In this code, you are able to see what the code is going to do. But whereas in the case of map and filter operations, it is doing the same thing, but we are not able to understand the code easily. Now, let's see and write the code in Python. Now, I have already written the code on Python. I have a list. First of all, I am computing the squares of all the elements which are present inside the list with the help of the comprehension and the map function. Okay. Secondly, I am computing the squares of even numbers only. Right. Now let's run the file. You can see the output. First, it will calculate the squares of all the elements with the help of the comprehension, and second, with the help of the map function. And then, in the similar way, we have computed the squares of even numbers. I hope it is clear to all of you. So if you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.